What's going on YouTube, Nikias right here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to install a prerequisite for the CheckRa1n Jailbreak for Linux. Now I'm here on Ubuntu. The sound may be a little bit different because this is not my setup that I usually use, but I'm going to do this because I need to show you how to install this, otherwise there might be problems and you may not be able to use the CheckRa1n Jailbreak for Linux once it gets released. Now we're talking about this CheckRa1n Jailbreak in here for the iPhone 5s all the way up to the iPhone 10, iOS 12.3 all the way up to the iOS 13.3 here. Nikias Bassen, one of the developers, posted this quote: "For those wondering, this has nothing to do really with CheckRa1n, but I feel bash is better than dash. If you want to prepare for Linux rain season, make sure you have USBMUXD installed and ready. #CheckRa1n." So he posted a command for Ubuntu in there, but that command has nothing to do with the CheckRa1n. However, he said that if you want to prepare for the CheckRa1n jailbreak, you need to install USBMUXD in here. This one has to be installed from the terminal, so I'm going to show you in this video how to do that. Now, to recap, this jailbreak works on iOS 13.3, which is currently the latest version, all the way down to the iOS 12.3, so 13.3, 13.2.3, 13.2.2, 13.1.3, 13.0, 12.4.1, and so on. This is a major jailbreak. However, for the moment, the jailbreak is only available for macOS, so you need a Mac in order to be able to do it. However, a Linux version will be available soon, and Linux can be dual booted and installed on any computer that runs Windows. This is why this is actually very important. So I'm going to show you how to do it if you have Linux, how to make your computer ready to use the CheckRa1n. I'm going to show you in here. You have to open the terminal, but if you don't have it in here like I do, you're going to have to press on the show all applications on Ubuntu, or if you have another flavor of Linux, you have to search for it, and it's the terminal in here. Now it may look a little bit different than this one in here, but the overall usage is the same. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Now before we do anything, we have to update the apt-get. So we're going to write sudo, then leave a space apt-get and update, and we're going to press enter. It's going to ask us for the password. It's the password you use to log in on the computer. So I'm going to write mine, and as you can see, it's downloading a couple of things in here. Now the update may take a couple of minutes depending on how outdated your packages are, but this is basically like Cydia. So as you can see in here, it does work. Now in order to install that prerequisite, which is basically USBMUXD, which is a daemon used for the connection with the device, so pretty important, otherwise your device cannot be discovered by the computer, so you cannot use CheckRa1n. We're going to have to run sudo apt-get install and USBMUXD. Press enter, and as you can see here, it tells me that I already have it installed. It says USBMUXD is already on the newest version, but in your case it would install automatically. Now you may get a couple of questions from the terminal, and if you do, you have to press Y and enter in order to reply with yes. But in most of the cases it would be pretty silent. Now if you want to get no questions, you have to run the same command, but between the install and USBMUXD you write -y, and this way is basically going to reply with yes to any single command. So basically you're going to install it automatically. Now as I said, this is important because without it you wouldn't be able to use the CheckRa1n jailbreak when it gets released, and that's why Nikias Bassen, one of the developers of this jailbreak, said that if you want to prepare your Linux environment for that, you should definitely install USBMUXD. Now why USBMUXD? You probably know that there is no iTunes whatsoever for Linux, and there is no official package that has drivers for Linux for Apple devices, for example for the iPhone, iPad or iPod. So USBMUXD comes as a driver, as a daemon that acts in the background, that creates a connection with those devices so that you will be able to run the CheckRa1n on your Linux environment, which isn't normally designed to support Apple devices, at least not in the way Apple does it on Windows or macOS, where there is the Apple mobile device driver that comes with the iTunes. So yeah, once that gets released, if you have USBMUXD already installed, you will be able to use the program out of the box, which is actually quite important. So yeah, this is basically a prerequisite to be able to run the program. Otherwise you would not be able to connect to the device, and of course you will experience errors from the CheckRa1n. That's pretty much it guys. Thank you for watching. I am Nikias. Till the next time, peace out.